Good morning, guys. I have some time to myself because every time I wake up, I have my cup of saffron turmeric tea. It has a little bit of coriander and cumin, all the goodness for your digestive system. I'm just going to get my face ready, okay? So I'm going to spritz some facial mist. Sorry, I'm just going for my hyaluronic acid right now. So I came across this brand called Amrutam, and they are an Ayurvedic brand. Before collaborating with them, I told them that I want to test their products because you guys know whenever I do a collaboration, it's always with the brands that I know. I'm a creature of habit. So when there is a new brand involved, I really want to test it out. While they were sending me the products, I went to their website and I've been hearing a lot of top bloggers, a lot of influential people talk about this brand, and I wanted to know whether it was worth the hype. Apparently their hair care range, which is the Kuntal do-it-yourself hair spa, consists of an oil, hair mask as well as a shampoo. They don't have a conditioner as of yet. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about these three products, but my main interest is the hair mask as well as the shampoo. And as a new mom, I can tell you that postpartum hair fall is a real thing, okay? It's not a myth. Oh my God, it definitely exists. And I did suffer from hair fall, but it hasn't been as severe and extreme as what I've heard from many other mothers. And I only feel that's because I have taken the time out to take care of my skin, my hair. I take my external medicines, my internal medicines, which is your iron tablets, vitamin D tablets, because even a lack of vitamin D, which all of us are suffering from, I can assure you if you go for your blood test, you will know that you're suffering from vitamin D because we are all inside the house. We have not stepped out thanks to lockdown and COVID situation. We don't step out. So even vitamin D deficiency can cause hair fall. This healthy hair journey is something that my mom is very much into, and I think that's been passed on by my grandmom, So we do make our DIY hair mask. We grind our fenugreek, we grind our amla. So when I did my research on this hair mask, I was so fascinated because there's so many other ingredients, you guys, that not many other hair mask has. For example, there's this one ingredient called balchad, and I've not seen many other hair masks or shampoos have this particular one. So when I got it day before yesterday, I was like, yes, today I'm going to vlog it, use it for the first time, put it to a test properly, just try it out maybe 2 times, 3 times, and then decide whether I want to go ahead with this collaboration. That way I'm at least honest with myself and with you guys. So I'm super excited, you guys, because the lazy person in me is actually excited. If I can just save on time in grinding and doing everything, and if I can get everything in a bottle, because this is super affordable, their shampoo is also super affordable, and the best part is they also send me these 3 mini kits, okay? So in case you don't want to buy the full bottle, you don't want to try the hair mask, you can definitely try the mini version of it, which is something that not many brands are doing, and lots of brands need to come out with their mini version so that you can do your patch test. You don't have to spend too much money, you don't feel guilty, and you can try it out. You can do a 1 or 2 times trial and see if it works for you. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It is super dry, you guys, and I have a problem. No matter how much I brush, it still gets tangled up. So I want a hair mask that will just make it really nice and super soft. So I hope, fingers crossed, I have high hopes for this brand because it's got a great reputation. Ayurvedic, you guys know that I have suddenly developed a love for anything that is Ayurveda. If you followed me on Insta stories, you would have understood that because I speak about plants, which is good for skin, which is good for health. Follow me, guys. You got to follow me to check out my Insta stories. I talk a lot about Ayurvedic products that I use on myself as well as my daughter. I talk about oils. So when I came across this brand that talks about Ayurveda, just healing your chakras, the energy that is in your body, it just fascinated me a lot more to say yes to trying out their products, okay? And if all goes well, then I really want to collaborate with it. So let me show you, sorry, I'm just applying my sunscreen right now. Let me show you what the product looks like, and we shall open the box together and we shall just put it to a test properly and take it from there. So this is the Amrutam Kuntal do-it-yourself hair spa. It's all about healthy hair journey, and you get 3 things. You get the hair oil, you get the hair mask as well as the shampoo. I'm mostly interested in the hair mask and the shampoo as well. You get 3 mini versions, which is fantastic. It's very travel friendly, and if it's not going to hurt your pocket if you want to test it out. You see, you don't have to buy the big version if you really want to try out this brand. So this is the outside packaging. It's very, very basic. It says we don't pack you a bottle of exotic herbal ingredients. We send you a mixture made out of love, care, and mostly prayers. This is herbal, cruelty free, no child labor, and this also can be recycled. Now when you look at the hair mask, this is an authentic Ayurvedic formulation, this entire hair range. The mask contains tripla, bringraj, eucalyptus oil, balchad, and another ingredient called Kapoor Kachri. So all these ingredients are fantastic for healthy hair and scalp, and eucalyptus oil has antibacterial properties. Now these two ingredients, that is balchad and Kapoor Kachri, is fantastic to promote hair growth, and not many brands and people are talking about these two ingredients. That's what makes this really, really unique. Okay, I haven't come across too many that has got balchad in it. Balchad is basically a plant. Many parts of India call it Ratan Jod, and in English it's called Onasma. Now when it comes to the shampoo, we've got so many good ingredients like shikakai, amla, bringraj. This also has got balchad in it. This has got mendi, sitafal beej. This has got also aloe vera, and aloe vera usually is very nourishing for the hair. It's supposed to just give your hair that healthy shine. This is a daily cleanser shampoo, so I'm assuming they're saying that you can use this daily, so I'm pretty excited about this one. So I've got my camera all set up out here. So I'm going to apply this Kuntal Care Hair Spa, and obviously when you're trying out herbal and Ayurvedic stuff, you've got to patch test it, you know, because not everything suits everyone. But for someone who is a new mom or someone who's pregnant, this is just a fantastic route, you know, to take. I love my protein treatment, my hair spa treatment, but right now because of the COVID situation, I don't want to take that risk. Okay, so I'm just going to take a generous amount. So it's got a very gooey kind of consistency. Can you see that? It's not too watery. Oh, this smells wonderful. I feel as if I'm already in my house in Ooty. You know, my place in Ooty is surrounded with eucalyptus trees. Oh my God. A very messy affair, mommy-like affair. I'm just going to apply that on my scalp, okay? You guys have seen me color my hair at the same time. I'm not about, you know, partitioning and doing it really neat. I do it Shweta style, that is all over the scalp. And then I'm just going to flip my hair this way while I do it, just like my oil treatment. I do that for my hair spa, like any hair mask. I do the same thing as well. So this is going to take a while. So let me just massage my scalp and then I'll put it on the strands as well. It's got a very serum-like texture which completely dissolves into the scalp and hair without any residue. So I know what they meant by you can leave it overnight. But lately I catch a cold even if I leave my oil overnight. I used to do this, but things have changed right now. So, you know, because of my sinus problem, I do not want to risk that. But instead of 30 minutes, I think I'm going to let this rest for 1 hour 30. So far there is no irritation, but I do feel a slight tingling effect, but it's not irritating me, but it's definitely cooling the scalp. So I just washed my hands. My nails are definitely stained. So the shampoo is also another Ayurvedic formulation, and also it's also got another ingredient that I've not seen in many Ayurvedic shampoos, and that is Grit Kumari, which is fabulous for dandruff. And shikakai in general is very good for cleansing the scalp really well, okay? Oh, it smells nice. Lemon, a hint of that lemon scent coming out of it. So it's got sitafal beej, it's got balchad as well, it's got mendi, and it's got aloe vera. So all good things for the hair. So this should be interesting. So I can't wait to wash my hair with this as well. So I got some work done and I am just going to go and wash my hair right now. So it doesn't feel gritty and grimy like many hair masks, but definitely feels as if I worn some gel. It's crispy. So I'm just going to take this and put this on my scalp and really cleanse my scalp. That's my first cleanse, and then the second one will be for my strands. Okay, I've just tied my hair. I've used my t-shirt basically. Let's ignore this. Okay, so I'm not kidding. My room and my bathroom smells beautiful, and my hair also smelled really, really lovely. Okay, it felt as if I went for professional spa stuff. With a herbal Ayurvedic shampoo, I've always noticed that it feels as if it's going to dry out your hair. That is because the ingredients are very, very different, okay, from your normal shampoo and conditioner. in your normal shampoo and conditioner, they use a lot of silicones, and there's so many other things that really give you that slip to your hair, that shine to your hair. Over here, they, usually introduce naturally derived humectants, if I can say that, like aloe vera, okay? So it completely hydrates your hair at the same time. But you do need to apply your conditioner, because even a normal shampoo can dry your hair, even a herbal shampoo can dry your hair. So if you feel the texture of your hair feeling a little bit dry, please do not worry, condition your hair. What is most important is how your hair feels after it's been towel dried or air dried. When every moisture is gone out of your hair, how does your hair feel? That is what is important for me, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So I'm just going to wear some clothes. I've just got a towel here. This is a family channel, and I'm just going to be right back. Okay, so I don't know about you, but can you see the shine on my hair? Wash my hair, and then I just blow dried just the end bit, so it is looking a lot puffy. I know you're not going to believe me, but the softness, it's a bit too soon for me to say, but definitely pick up that hair mask. That is completely worth it. The shampoo is also really nice. Like I said, when you condition it and all, it just works. It just doesn't dry up your hair for some strange reason. So let me vlog during the weekend, you guys, and I shall take it forward. It's 6:45 in the morning, and I just saw my mom apply the hair mask. She actually asked for it last night, so I wanted to film it. Because nobody can give a brutally honest opinion about a product like the way she is. You thought that I was honest? No, I get it from my mother. What do you think of the hair mask, Mama?
I loved it, sweetie.
Mama, show me your face. Are you joking?
Really?
Feels soft?
It feels
I know, even that's what I was thinking.
See?
I don't know
How
what.
soft
It
is
just,
it?
exactly, it just makes the hair so soft. Oh, thank God. I was so worried. I thought she was going to be like, no, it's not nice, because she's so hard to please. I'm going to do this the second time today, so I'm just going to go and apply this on my hair, and I'll be right back. So I've just left it on for 30 minutes. It's nicely dried, and I'm just going to jump into the shower. I've got loads to do today. Right now my scalp feels nice and cool, so I'm hoping for the same effect hair-wise, texture-wise. Okay guys, this is what my hair looks like dried. I did a little bit of hair dryer action. Oh my God, my hair feels extremely soft again, just like how it was when I first tried it. I know you're not gonna believe me, but you have nothing to lose, because they have their mini bottles. So just check it out. You don't have to buy the whole thing. See how it goes. Just test it. This is like a no-brainer. This is really nice. It makes my hair super soft, and it's perfect for us lazy girls. I can't stop touching my hair, really. I'm gonna give it a few more days. I think if it's all good, I'm super excited to collaborate and talk about this on my channel. Good morning, guys. So it's officially Halloween, okay, and I'm going as myself, because look at me. Nothing can be as scary as this, okay. I've had a rough night, you guys. I haven't slept. So I've got sinus problems, and I went to an Ayurvedic center yesterday. Surprise, surprise. I'm not going the allopathy way. I'm going to try out this Ayurvedic medicine. That's what I just woke up to take. And oh my God, it is so bitter. It is like if 2020 had a taste, it would be this bottle. Let me give you my final verdict on the hair, because I've tried it 2 or 3 times more. I really like that mask, okay? I love that shampoo. That shampoo is the star, okay? The mask is definitely great, but the shampoo is what's taking my heart away. So combination of those two are a match made in heaven. I even tried the hair oil, guys. The hair oil is also good, but it is the mask as well as that shampoo. With the shampoo, obviously, you need to condition a lot more, like I have mentioned. I'm not going to go about with it again. But trust me, just let me show you my hair. So yesterday I did a video. So I straightened it then. But usually I wake up, in the morning, it goes really rough, like I told you. Now, where hair fall is concerned, you usually come to know about a product after 2-3 months of use. Stay tuned, guys. We're ending 2020. In December, I usually talk about the best of beauty products. I separate hair products, makeup, skincare. And I will be giving you an update of the shampoo as well as the mask, the hair oil, everything. Where hair fall is concerned, I will be talking to you a lot more in detail. But texture-wise, how it usually goes is, when your hair itself feels really soft and nourished, you just know that, the shampoo suits you. You just know that a hair mask suits you. It's not making it like really dry and brittle. At least not for me, okay? So this is my opinion. Like I said, anything to do with Ayurveda, just patch test it always, but just give it a shot. It comes in mini versions. It's not going to hurt your pocket. I think I'm just going to end this vlog right now. Can't wait to collaborate with the brand. Can't wait to upload this video also. I don't think there's anything else that I need to add out here. Hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what else you'd like me to review. Stay tuned because there's going to be so many other reviews on this channel. As you guys know, I always test out, I do this one product videos. So yeah, see you very soon in my next, and until later, bye for now.